Sunshine Gang? How y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And I got some people that want to say hey to y'all, so y'all come on and say hey.
Hey.
Say hey. They can't see you right there. You gotta get over here and say hey. Okay, no.
Bye.
And y'all, today, as y'all can see, it's gonna be a headband wig review, y'all. Yes. I hopped on the trend, and her name is Jorja, and she is from the Daily Wig Collection from Outrade, and this is how she looks on the stock card. And you can wear her as a left part, a right part, or a center part. And this is the side view, this is the back view, and she also comes in different colors like 1B, 2, 99J, 613, DR27, DR30, and DR Red Burgundy, which is the color right here. And y'all, let me tell y'all that they got all type of wigs from this collection, so y'all don't sleep on Outrade on these daily wigs at an affordable price, y'all. They give y'all all type of options, as y'all can see. Do y'all see all these options right here? These are the options for the synthetic units, and they even have options for the human hair units. So yes, y'all, don't sleep on Outrade. Y'all don't sleep on Jorja, because look at her, y'all. She is a long, sleek, black, and pretty hairstyle. She feels very soft to the touch. She's like I want to say she's like a silky texture. And she is pretty long. Let me see how long she is on the stock card. It doesn't say, but I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see. This is how long she is, y'all. Do y'all see that length right there? And she does come with 2 combs in the front, and she comes with 1 in the back. She has an adjustable strap, and she even have an elastic band, y'all. But if you have a big head, I would suggest that you probably like cut the elastic band out, just so it won't fit so snug on your head. But the way she's fitting on my hair right now, it's bearable. She's not like killing my big old head, and like I feel comfortable wearing her. I feel like this is a really good easy slate, y'all. She's a plop and go. All I did was I just plucked the party space a little bit, and I threw some concealer in this part right here, and I combed her. I put this band on. I'm like, boom, I'm gonna make her a headband wig. And y'all, she came out like this. But the only cons that I would say, she is a synthetic unit, and because she is long, she is gonna tangle, which, you know, that's what synthetic wigs do. But y'all, I couldn't got this wig to no more than under $20, if not $20. So y'all, this is a very good, affordable, easy slate. Like if you on the budget and you need like a good affordable wig, you know, Outrade, they've been in the game for a long time, so I always like the Outrade wig collection. That's like always been my favorite wig company. You know, I'm just throwing that out there just in case Outrade, you see this video and you want to, you know, send me some free wigs, I'm all for it. But y'all, yes, this is her right here. Her name is Jorja, and she tangles, but she doesn't tangle a lot, and she does shed a little bit. But it's not like if you comb her out and then you just see a lot of hair on the floor. She doesn't shed like that, which is, you know, a good thing. But I believe you can dress her up, you can dress her down. I believe you can have so many options with this wig, and it's super easy and affordable. And that's what I like, y'all. Y'all know I'm always for the easy and affordable wig slays, and I love bringing y'all these easy and affordable wig reviews, you know, just in case if you thinking about ordering something like this. I don't know if I'm gonna sell this wig, y'all, or if I'm gonna keep it, but I think I might keep it because she's a look. She can be a real good look. But yeah, y'all, I really like Jorja. I really don't have a lot to say, but you know, I really like her, y'all. She kind of reminds me of Blake. And I had got her in the color, it was like a dark root with blue. That's what she kind of reminds me of. But Blake was a little bit more silkier than her. I believe it's because she was a color wig. And I think you can get away with this wig, y'all. It's natural look. It look like you when it got some bundles. That's what it looks like to me. I really like this, y'all. But that is it for this video, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and let me know what y'all think about Jorja in the comment section below. Like, would y'all rock her? Would y'all go order her? And y'all know I'm gonna leave y'all all the information in the description box below, and more than likely I will put it up on the screen for y'all so y'all can know all the details. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.